Hi, everyone. My name is Tim Reha, host of Informed Health 2016 here in beautiful San Francisco at UCSF. Amazing facility here. We have a good friend and sponsor, Corbin Chase. Excited to learn more about your company. Let's talk about what you have cooking here with Labii.
Hi, Tim. It's good to see you again. We at Labii Inc. are actually developing electronic lab notebooks for researchers in hopes of optimizing the research methodology.
Okay.
And we're here trying to support other programs and other startups in the area that are trying to bring labs from a paper lab interface to an electronic lab interface. And it's been really successful so far.
What percentage of the industry is still kind of running paper-based systems? I know the legal firms the last decade have really worked on electronic discovery and using semantic analytics and optimization to pull data, but what's going on in the health space in this area?
Well, it's still about 75 to 85% of both industry and academics, more specifically academics, are using these paper lab notebooks. And it's this arduous process that's non-transferable in the research, and it's very difficult to control your research. It's not collaborative, and so we try to create a solution for this to allow people to easily share their research securely with others to help collaborate and promote the research process.
Is it just text, or can you add extra data like imaging or different video or whatever data?
Yeah, you can add in any type of file, whether it's PDF, whether it's Word documents, importing protocols, attaching pictures, getting information from your lab equipment. You can do anything. Then you can aggregate that data, create a summaries, results, analysis, help with publication. And we allow you to be able to really identify which variables impacted the results specifically. So what that means is that you can reduce any redundancies in your research, and then you can focus on the variables that produce the highest yields or not the highest yields and dive more into that research specifically, and you know instantaneously when that happens. Instead of a paper lab notebook, when you have to go transcribe it to another computer interface, run the numbers, we do it all for you collaboratively on the cloud.
What stage are you guys? And I think you have some customers and you're working on building out the product?
Yeah, so we have about 500 plus customers. We have revenue, and we're growing just as fast as we can. We have a growing team of 4, and we're moving as quickly as possible. It's an expanding field, and we're just trying to be the first ones to it.
Who are you trying to meet here at the event? I've met folks from Cisco, Samsung, to university folks, all types of folks. What types of folks here are you trying to meet and out there and the rest of the world?
We're really looking for any researchers, anyone that's affiliated with a wet lab in academic or industry. Anyone working on research who likes using templates, who wants to minimize the amount of redundancy that's inherent in really any process. We want to bring a collaborative platform to allow people to work together, promote research, and move faster in their developments.
Sounds like it'll save a lot of money. What are the core benefits that you're bringing to the table now when you digitize this outdated process?
We're saving an immense amount of time. We're saving a lot of money in that time. We're allowing companies to research faster, develop drugs more quickly, and be first one to market. We're taking the entire product idea all the way to market. So we stick with you. We're a one-stop shop, and we make it so all of your research, all of the collaboration happens in one location. So it simplifies any exterior platforms. We make it a secure way, and just try to simplify the entire research process. It's too complicated.
Startups are not easy. Often they fail. You need support. What are you looking for in terms of the community, in terms of people hiring, other types of partners? What are you looking for to help you scale?
We are always looking for programmers to help us develop more quickly. We want to stay as agile as our potential competitors are, or as our potential clients are. That being said, we love to partner. Anybody that's willing to partner who can add value to our platform, and then we can add value to theirs, please give me a call. You can reach us at labii.com, Labii.com. My email is corbinc@labii.com. And we're just trying to really push the research industry forward. We don't think it's moving fast enough, and we want to help accelerate the process.
Very cool. Well, thanks for your time. Thanks for sponsoring the show. And everybody out there, please support Labii. And what's next for you?
What's next is we're going to be working on actually whole lab automation. We feel like there are many arduous processes that people are still doing in day-to-day lab work that we think we could automate. That means that we save more time, more money, and allow people to focus on actually creating the research theses and ideas around them. We think that will lead to much more profound and significant research. And that's what we're doing next. And I'd like to give a special shout out to QB3. You guys are a fantastic program, and I want to thank you so much for this opportunity, Tim specifically. And UCSF and the Informed Health program, thank you so much for this opportunity.
You've done this interview thing before a lot, haven't you?
I've sat in a chair once or twice.
All right, well, cool. Thanks so much, Corbin, and we'll look forward to your progress, and happy 2016.
Thank you so much, Tim. Really appreciate it.
Cheers.